Little known to many, China clay is a wonder material in its best quality, being mined, processed and sent to far corners of the world from a few villages in Thiruvananthapuram and neighbouring Kollam district. It is a magical material, a crucial ingredient for paper, paint, rubber, plastic, ceramics and cement industries. China clay deposits in India are limited and the best quality is found in Thiruvananthapuram district in the South Indian state of Kerala. Playing this crucial role in the China clay value chain is an ISO 9001 and 14001 company, the English Indian Clays Limited or EICL, belonging to the multifaceted Thapar Group. EICL has been producing value-added China clay since 1973. Today, with an output of 160,000 tons a year, EICL is the largest producer of hydrous and calcined China clay in the country. The company employs 500 persons directly and 750 persons indirectly at its mines and state-of-the-art processing plants. Prospecting of the land is the first step prior to mining operations using an imported rig. Core samples obtained are analyzed at the R&D department of the company and quality and quantity of clay reserves are estimated. The removal of the top strata that is overburdened above the clay bed is thus removed and transported to areas that were mined earlier for refilling and reclamation. The company carries out mining operations under the provisions of Mines Act 1952 and the mining plan approved by the Indian Bureau of Mines. Crude China clay of different grades is mined and transported to the designated base based on its color and other visible properties. All tippers are covered with tarpaulin before they leave the mine premises. The haulage routes are sprayed with water regularly for suppression of the airborne dust. Crude clay transported from the mines is unloaded at the designated bay based on its visual optical properties, namely white, pink, grey and sandy. Depending on the product for which it is meant, crude clay is fed to plungers at predetermined blend ratio. Here the crude is converted into homogeneous slurry. This slurry is beneficiated by removing sand and other impurities. For removal of coarse clay particles up to 2 micron, centrifuges are used. The beneficiated slurry is stored in setting tanks for dewatering. Water thus collected through the process of decantation is used for processing. Bleached slurry is thickened using filter press to make 65% solid cakes. The filter cake is dried either in an indirect fired rotary dryer or a spray dryer, depending on customer requirement. The finished product is collected in silos prior to packing and sent to various domestic and international customers. Quality assurance is a journey which starts from exploration stage and lasts till delivery of the value-added product. The company has calciners with a combined capacity of 60,000 tons a year. The calciner plants are fully automated and are operated according to the SCADA system. Water used for processing is treated using filtration and reverse osmosis. Thus, the entire water is recycled for further processing, thereby minimizing use of water from the wells. In keeping with the mineral conservation policy and guidelines from the Pollution Control Board and the Indian Bureau of Mines, EICL has installed a plant for treating sand rejects from the clay beneficiation process. The plant produces coarse sand and fine sand for the construction industry, thus playing a role in environmental protection and prevention of indiscriminate sand mining from riverbeds. EICL has DSIR-approved R&D Center for the development of kaolin-based value-added products for different industries. The R&D wing has indigenously developed technology for producing value-added products based on kaolin like hydrous clays, calcined clays, coated clays, and nano clays. The R&D Center also has a full-fledged technical library. The English Indian Clays Limited gives utmost importance to restoration of the mined land. About 13 acres of fully mined land in Pallipuram and Andurkonam village in Thiruvananthapuram district have already been filled, levelled and returned to its original topography. English Indian Clays Limited also focuses on afforestation of the mined land. Refilled and reclaimed areas are planted with different varieties of tree saplings, manured and nursed. Thickly grown trees around the mining areas act as barrier against dust and noise pollution. The entire mining lease area is covered with compound wall. Benches are created as mining depth increases. The signboards at vantage positions give sufficient warnings to all. English Indian Clays Limited has a well laid out water management plan and is one of the leaders in rainwater harvesting in Kerala. The company has so far implemented drinking water supply schemes in 4 villages situated near the mines and the processing plant, meeting the daily water requirements of about 800 families in the neighborhood. Other community development programs of the company include donation of land for an Anganwadi, distribution of uniforms and cash awards to students of the nearby school, and supply of portable water in tankers. The highest standards being maintained in safety and environmental friendly operations have won for EICL several awards. Coveted among these is the award for overall best performance, won consecutively for the last 3 years from the Tamil Nadu and Kerala Mines Safety Association under the Directorate General of Mine Safety, Ministry of Labour, Government of India. The next time you pick up a fine sheet of paper or run your hands over a velvety wall, remember English Indian Clays Limited, for that is where the transformative journey of china clay, which gives it fine sheen to paper and painted walls, begins.